He,
not possible.
your husband does not wish to cohabit with you.
Yes.
Now, would you like to live with a man who does not want to live with you? Will your life be hell or will it be heaven?
सर भाई अब वो दोनों का जैसा है वैसा है सर, क्या कर सकते
They are all 58 years of age.
हैं? Yes.
Living separately for
So at least in the evening of their life, let them have some peace.
and she instituted more than 70-75 matters against me. Lord. I have a complete list of the cases. Complete list of the cases. 100, more than 100 by either party. Lord.
Yes.
Yes. These are 4 matters. 2 have been filed by the wife and 2 by the husband. The wife has filed an appeal against the decree of divorce, Lord, as also against the dismissal of a suit for restitution of conjugal rights. The husband has filed 2 appeals, Lord, against one a grant of permanent alimony of rupees 30 lakhs and another appeal rupees 4 lakhs towards 300. But as far as I am concerned, for I am representing the husband, Lord, I had given an open offer initially, or when the matter had come up for hearing for the first time, that
Yeah.
decree of divorce could be granted to the husband after 26 years from the date of institution of the suit. The matter remained pending for about 26 years, and only thereafter, Lord, and prior to that, Lord, for about last 30 years, they are living separately now. So, Lord, what is the point in admitting these appeals? Lord, as far as the permanent alimony is concerned, we are prepared to pay the amount of rupees 34 lakhs before the court itself by demand. If they are prepared to accept it, I will withdraw my appeals.
Who is for the wife?
I am for the wife person.
Yes.
This is my open
The
offer.
there was a mediation which failed, Lordship, and she's prepared to live with him right from day one, but he refuses to keep her.
He does
Yes.
not wish to stay with you.
It's not possible.
Your husband does not wish to cohabit with you.
Yes.
Now, would you like to live with a man who does not want to live with you? Will your life be hell or will it be heaven?
सर भाई अब वो दोनों का जैसा है वैसा है सर, क्या कर सकते हैं? It is because of the act of the husband that she has been suffering a lot all through.
So they are all 58 years of age.
Yes.
Living separately for
So at least in the evening of their life, let them have some peace. It is for you to convince your clients.
Sir,
But the money part not be prepared to buy. But I am giving an open
What does
offer,
the
you can go down to the orders.
what is the husband doing?
Lord, he is probably a deputy general manager in DSN.
Right.
What is your offer?
Lord, the Learned Trial Court has determined.
No, the offer.
Offer, Lord, the trial court has determined 30 lakhs of rupees towards the permanent alimony and 4 lakhs towards the then we'll pay that. Though we have challenged those orders by filing 2 appeals, but my standing offer before a lordship is, and I am prepared to give an undertaking, we prepare pay rupees 34 lakhs before a lordship by demand draft.
30 lakhs permanent
34 lakhs.
alimony, 34 and
30 lakhs towards
30
permanent
plus
alimony
4.
and 4 lakhs towards Istridhan.
3
Yes, Lord, 34 lakhs in all.
4 lakhs.
Actually, they both need counseling. They both need counseling, not mediation.
Lord,
Mediation,
as I am concerned, we
let
can-
them appeal before the honorable court once.
No, mediation पहले हुआ है.
mediation has failed.
He is saying
Mediation has failed.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी करवाया था, सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक पहुंच गया
No,
था।
at the level of the family court or this court?
This court.
Your lordship had directed the parties to go for mediation, my lord.
What happened? Where is the report?
It was on file.
Report.
The mediation was
The
done,
report
my
लगी
lord,
होगी देखना.
in first
Mediation.
appeal number.
Why did it fail? Both the parties had appeared or not appeared?
They had
That
appealed
appeared.
Both.
number of times.
And what does wife do?
Lord, she's a practicing lawyer at Sagar for the last more than 20 years, Lord.
She is not at all
She's a practicing
practicing.
lawyer.
Not practicing. एक वकालतनामा पेश कर दो आप।
Actively practicing lawyer.
तो एक वकालतनामा पेश कर दो ना, बोलते
उसको
हैं एक कर
certificate of practice मिला है बार काउंसिल से after determining
दो, एक कर दो करवा।
after determining that she is actively practicing. We were required to obtain certificate of practice, my lord. So she has been given that certificate also.
So is there any stay here?
Yes.
Is there any stay? Stay.
No, no, no.
Have you remarried?
No. He doesn't intend to
What
do
about
that.
children?
My lord, the children are adult. This elder one is this, they are the twins, no? The son, my lord, is in job. He is a allied IAS officer, not allied services of the IAS. And the daughter is also the IIT in my lord. And both were brought up single-handedly by the father alone. There has been no dispute about the custody of the child throughout. They have been with us, with me, and Lord, now they are adult. They are serving it in good job.
There was application pending on the
So
guidance.
you are, the husband is taking, the father is taking all the credit and not
Definitely,
giving,
my lord.
not giving it to the
For
mother.
last 30 years, my lord, they are living separately. I have brought up the child.
It is only because of you, evidence will,
I brought
has
both
come
the
on record,
children.
lordship. Rajasthan वार सेट का केस भी पेंडिंग रहा, उसको पेंडिंग रहने दिया,
I
हस्बैंड ने
provided
वो
good
बाद में वो
education,
infectious हो गया.
and ultimately they have proved their worth also.
But you should all sit down together, try to convince them, reason with them that this is not the way. At this age, they should not fight. They're almost 60 now.
Almost.
Ah.
Almost.
आप
At the
लोग-
evening of their life, Lord, both of them. But as far as I am
So,
concerned, Lord, I
ye-
can only pay the
mediation-
What are the children?
Lord, children, Lord, they are in job.
Where? In India or abroad?
Yeah, in the India.
India.
They are, both of them are India. I have to find out. Probably one is in Bangalore or Bombay. Lord,
Can they all come together?
They can come, Lord. We can call them.
All four?
All, I can call both my children, Lord. Earlier also they were summoned.
ये लोग रहते कहाँ हैं दोनों जने?
Yeah, Lord, husband probably is in Bhopal.
Sir.
I'll find out. Earlier he was at
भोपाल
Raipur.
में है.
छतरपुर.
No, Bhopal.
Bhopal.
That was the permanent resident, Lord. He is posted at probably Bhopal. Children, Lord, I'll have to find out.
Wife is at Sagar.
Wife is at Sagar.
He's a trained mediator. No? That man. All right.
One of the parties instituted more than 100 matters.
We will make another attempt towards
Lordship.
settlement by sending it to a trained mediator, sending both the parties.
Yes.
Are you ready to bear expenses of a mediator who does not belong to Jabalpur?
Definitely. Definitely. No issue. We'll bear it.
Because I know a good mediator.
Very well, man. We'll do it. I am prepared to do it.
I will try to seek his consent.
Yes, Lord.
Then we can otherwise.
And she instituted more than 75 matters against me, Lord. I have a complete list of the cases. Complete list of the cases. 100, more than 100 by either party, Lord. I would be fair in saying.
अभी इनको कर देते हैं. It's going to come. इसमें लिखिए that looking to the what is the age now? 58.
Yes.
Looking to इसमें लिखिए that an attempt had earlier been made, an unsuccessful attempt had earlier been made to resolve the dispute between the warring parties through mediation. Full stop. However, the same failed as per the report of the mediator 25/7/22 due to the parties not able to come to a consensus. Next para. Looking to the age of the rival parties, husband and wife, which is now about 58 or 59, it would be appropriate that a further attempt is made towards settlement by way of mediation, conducted by a trained mediator. Next para. Anybody, would you like to, is there any common name as far as mediator?
Lordship में
So we will appoint the member secretary of Salsa,
Very well.
Mr. Karmahe.
Very well.
He is a trained mediator.
ठीक.
who sir?
Mr. Karmahe is member secretary Salsa.
Very well.
So he's stationed here.
ठीक है.
Parties can come here.
Yes.
They have been
definitely.
coming over the
Only.
They have been coming here for and attending mediation. also.
Accordingly, this court appoints Shri Karmahe member secretary
Achha, Raju.
Khalsa, who is a trained mediator, to make an attempt to resolve the dispute between the parties through mediation. Next para. Let the parties appear before the said trained mediator on, give a date. Or you can
Plus-
consult your clients and give a common date. Please tell it to the reader.
Yes, will.
नहीं, तो आप जो डेट दें
In a week commencing
हाँ,
19th of September, my lord.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ठीक. Any date?
Any week commencing 19th of September.
No, if you have a common date, otherwise you can consult your
He-
client.
नहीं, he may give a date, I will call my client on that day.
All right. Yes, which is the date?
Any my lord, week commencing 19th September.
Well, 19th itself. 19th September. And the parties would appear, for which no separate notice would be given. As the learned counsel for rival parties are expected to communicate this order to the parties. Next para. It is the Shri Karmesh, trained mediator, is free to take services of a counselor if he so thinks fit.
So we have to appear in Salsa, my lord.
Here only.
In Salsa.
At Salsa ही कर देते.
At Salsa.
At MP Salsa headquarters, in Jabalpur.
Mr.
नाम
Rajiv Karma hai, I think.
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
नाम बताएं
19th September. Saransh specialist.
Next para list.
Mohammad Sajid
The mediator is expected to file a report as early as possible, preferably within a period of 2 months. List last week of November.